In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE2, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on this phone. So as you can see currently, we do have the gesture navigation, so sliding up is for, and holding for a while is for recent apps, then sliding from right to left and from left to right is for going back, and then sliding up once is going back to your home screen. But now, whenever you wish to change it to button navigation, you need to open the list of all apps at first and pick settings. Now in search area, enter navigation bar, that's the quickest method. And here we've got it. So whenever you wish to pick button navigation, just click the stop switcher, select your layout, like your favorite layout. I would like to have this one. So from now on, this is our back button, this is our recent apps button, and that's our home screen button. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.